We're fixing the Extra 330 because Corbin crashed it. He crashed. I did not crash it.
We crashed it.
No.
So to start with, we're gonna get this thing paint. We're gonna sand it. We're gonna rough it up, sand it, and
then paint it.
No, then we're gonna use filler. This is Drydex DAP Drydex spackling for sheetrock spackling. So hopefully this will work out. We're gonna try to fill the cracks or kind of
the wrinkles.
So without further ado, let's get started. So before we use this DAP spackling, we're gonna go ahead and rough up the paint and try to give us something to grip. Okay, we're wiping this down, get off the dirt and grime so we have a good clean bond. All right, here we go. We got the DAP filler, and I think we're just gonna
Time to do some zigzags on it.
There we go, guys.
Oh my.
I think we understand how it works now, so let's get a little more on here. So then you kind of just get it. It takes a sec to get worked in, and you kind of just use your scrapers to work it in.
Okay, I think that's.
We want a nice thin. We don't necessarily want to see what's under it necessarily. Just we can sand off what's
extra. All right, now we just have to sand the cowl down. It's dry. You can see it's nice and white.
All white now. Let's just see how this thing looks when we. You gotta just knock down these edges so it blends nicely.
I'd say that's good.
So we got our paint and scan at our local hardware store, Lowe's. They did a great job, super helpful, and very accurate color match. So we're gonna get painting, see what we can do.
So here's the painted, and then here is the unpainted, still wrinkly with no DAP. You can just see the difference. And also, the color match is impeccable.
We've already sanded and wiped it off, sanded it and cleaned it, so we got a nice clean surface to apply this to.
Yep, and we're using our rubber gloves, so
yeah. So now we're just gonna put some DAP in here. We've already so this is just filling all the voids. Okay, we got the Extra 330 all fixed up, and while we didn't fix everything on it, we made it significantly better. We it will no longer be it's mostly superficial damage. We repaired the worst parts. So depending on how much time you want to put into this,
you can make this plane look like it's brand new, never has been crashed before. But we just didn't want to spend that much time because I didn't care that much. And I just really wanted to get back up and fly.
And we spent a whole afternoon working on it for working on this plane for you guys. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing. And if this helped you, maybe even give it a like. Catch you next week with a new upload.